All right, I have had another purchase that came in, and this is my order from Joggles. All right, so I was specifically asked to review watercolor pencils. So I needed to get some of this is the new one by Tim Holtz with, I can't remember which one. This is set 1. So it has all these colors in it, and these are some of my favorite. I love the peeled paint, love rusty hinge, love speckled egg, love walnut stain. So I figured this would be the color set that I would use the most. I swear I just did this. So I will be reviewing this. These colored pencils. They come very packaged, evidently. So these are wood-free. And I know they're watercolor pencils. And so I'm excited to review those, but I'll be reviewing them along with a whole bunch of different types of watercolor pencils. And then every time I order at Joggles, I try and get some more of the colors that I like in the distress sprays. So I've been wanting the wild honey. So I got the wild honey in the oxide spray and the spray stain. I already have the peeled paint in the oxide, so I got it in the spray stain. And so I was just trying to get some more because I really like how these work together when you use an oxide and then you use the spray stain in them. I love how that mingles. So that is my reasoning behind getting the stains and the oxides. So I just wanted to add to it so that I make my order a little bit. I also got the dolls, the baseboard dolls. Someone gave me one and I really enjoyed it. So I decided to get more. So that is my Joggles order. Well, recently a couple of my art gallery friends brought me some things they thought they were wanting to get rid of, and they thought maybe I would want them. I'm not going to keep all these items, but I am going to be passing them on to others who would want or could use them. So I got this whole lot. Let me see if I can get them pulled out here. This whole lot of, I think there's I don't know, it's some kind of art, like diamond art or whatever it is. So it's a whole bunch of them, of all these different bottles and of these little tiny things. So yeah, I'm not quite sure. I don't know that I'm going to keep them or pass them on. I was thinking about maybe making a mixed color and putting them into some gel medium and making almost like a glass bead gel, but out of these, and just playing with it and seeing. So these all came from my friend Erin Newman, and she is a quill artist. I don't know if I've mentioned her before, but I'll put some of her artwork up in the corner here for you to see. Anyways, these little tweezers came with all that. And then these are old packaging, and I just love the vintage packaging. So I always end up using these, collaging or whatever. So I'll definitely keep these. A little sewing kit with some pins. Those are all pretty much items I can use. I will probably save those. I don't know what this is. It's old packaging. Let's open it and find out. It feels like tape. It is. Oh, it's like stretchy tape. Oh, that might be interesting. It's not sticky, but it stretches. It must be something for fabric, but it feels like masking tape. It's not thin. I mean, it doesn't feel like fusible tape or anything like that, although it may very well may be. I'm sure I'll end up using it. And I'm gonna put this in my little bin, my basket of goodies. Okay, so I got these beads, which I'm sure I'll end up using, so I'll save those. And I got some random DMC floss, which you know I'll use. And I got these. I think these are fun. This has these like little, and then this is like string, real thin though. I will definitely use these. I might take some of this and share it with my arty friends that like that stuff. I have a whole bunch of friends who save all their threads for me, and so these are more threads for me. Isn't that sweet? These are little bits of fabric. This is something that's kind of knit, possibly out of this, because it feels like that. So those I'll save. I'll use those. Then look at this, an old Sucrette's throat lozenge tin, along with all these like little floral thingamabobbers. They're like ringlets. I don't know how I would use those, but I'm sure I could figure something out. Little leaves, maybe these are, or little, yeah, maybe little leaves. Anyways, I don't know what these are. Maybe the start of one of these. I thought that was pretty fun, and that is definitely something I'll keep. And then I got more of these snaps, which are fun. I will keep those. And a whole bunch of maps. These are great. I like to rip these apart and use them in collage, for collage. So I've got these. I love these. And then there was this Pendant Brooch Kit, which I probably won't use. It's very old. I might save this though. This is fun. I'll put it in my little basket. But I think I'm gonna send this to Hope over at Crafty Hope, along with all of these brooches that were given to me, because I think she'll get something out of these. Between her jewelry and her assemblage, I think I'm going to send those over to her, along with, these are like little metal snowflakes, and there are a couple of circles in here as well. So I'll send her those. Look at that old tape. And then these are interesting. I think these are like from printing. They're metal, and they're like Christmas images. So I'm going to send those to her as well. She'll figure something out for that. So that's going to all go to Hope. And then the last thing, my friend Ronnie, she is at the gallery as well. She saves these tassels from when she purchases clothing at Johnny Was. And they're usually on tags. They're really pretty tags. But she saves the tassels for me. So, anyways, thank you, Ronnie. I appreciate that. But anyways, I just wanted to share some thrifty, well, they're not thrift, well, vintage-ish things that came into my possession. So, yeah. We'll see whatever else happens. All right, so the last thing I was expecting came in, and I just realized that a House of Books is shipped from Granville, Michigan. I don't know if that's where they're located or what, but that's kind of exciting. I didn't think this was going to get it here in time. So anyways, I thought I'd open this with you guys. I'm kind of excited about it. So, a room without a book is like a body without a soul. Cicero. That's neat. I think I'm gonna save that. Anyways, I am so excited. I got this fabric. Isn't this gorgeous? It's like a lovely green. Anyways, I thought it would make a very lovely book cover binding. So anyways, I got a slice of that, and I got, these are binding guts. That's what I call them. It is a bag of bound old vintage book binding guts. I mean, I save these. Like, I save them myself. Because I love to use them in my bits. So here's a whole bag of them. Just look at this one. Look at that texture. Just lovely. I'm so excited. It was just a whim. I wanted to get this fabric and saw this and had to get it. Aww. And I'm so excited it got here so fast. I was surprised. So I was glad to be able to share this with you all, and I'm sure that that's it for this month. I don't do these that often, but like I had one last month, and I had some shopping to do this month too. So yeah, you know, who doesn't love some art supplies and some vintage goodies? So anyways, until next time.